Everyone seems ahead of you. Married, settled, successful. And you're still trying to figure life out. You don't say it out loud, but you feel it inside. Am I late? This verse quietly corrects a painful thought.
وَلِكُلٍّ دَرَجَاتٌ مِّمَّا عَمِلُوا.
And for all are degrees according to what they have done. Allah doesn't measure people by speed. He measures them by direction. Not everyone is meant to reach milestones at the same time, because not everyone is being tested in the same way. Some are tested with early success. Others are tested with delay. And delay doesn't mean denial. Every step you take, every struggle you survive, is raising you in degrees. Even if no one applauds it. Your life is not behind schedule. It's unfolding according to a wisdom you'll understand later. Trust the timing, written by the one who sees the full picture. Comment, I trust Allah's timing. Save this for days when life feels delayed. Follow for Quranic reminders for steady hearts.